and he was caring towards everybody, patients, us, everybody. तो धीरे धीरे कुछ respect and liking towards him develop हो गई.
Like my friends, they have known me. I'm a very simple, straightforward guy, and I like people around me being simple and straightforward. And that was the particular thing which I first noticed about her. She is very simple and very sweet. That was the main important thing which attracted towards me, was her simplicity. Another thing was that she is very creative. She writes beautiful poems. She draws beautiful pictures. And our journey, let's say before we kind of decided ki this, you are the person for me, were kind of these things about her. Ki she used to make my day, like you all know ki we are doctors, we lead a very hectic life, and I'm kind of little bit short-tempered. But she kind of controls everything about me, even my rage, my anger, everything. I mean, like I said already, ki she makes me a better person. So when she's around me, I think yeah, everything is gonna be fine. So these are the things which I like about her.
Both of us expressed our feelings towards each other very early. In about 2 months, we decided that we should tell our families about it. But our families were like, take your own time, अपना time लो, देखो, decide करो. 1 साल हो गया उसके बाद, तो फिर हमने सोचा अब शादी कर लेते हैं.
I never thought कि I'll ever get married. In fact, I never wanted to get married. How I got married and how, this day for me is a kind of, it was something which I have never planned. I thought कि I'll lead a single life, I'll be a bachelor. And the reason for me being a bachelor, even I don't know why exactly I wanted to be a bachelor. But I thought ki the life as a single man, individual, is more comfortable. But when I met Arushi actually, then I started realizing ki I was incomplete and she somehow made me complete. And that was the reason we started the journey which we have started till now together. We had our shares of fights and smiles, and everything up to till this moment actually it has just kept getting on better and better. Means even my love for her actually has grown more stronger as the days have passed.
Wedding for me is a dream. It's a dream to have a new family, to stay with the person, with any person that you like, and share your life with that person completely.
About marriage, I guess everyone has cold feet about marriage. Even I am right now very nervous. If you ask me what exactly I want at this moment is to get it over with. I don't know why, but it may be because I'm too nervous for it. But I guess she too must be having same feeling. She too must be having cold feet. If I ever was sure about one thing in my life, was the decision to marry Arushi. So that's what I guess has led. Even my friends, if you ask them about me, let's say 2 years ago, and my thoughts and my feelings about even a girl as such, I used to stay 100 meters away from a girl. Even a girl, if ever a girl approached me, I don't know what used to happen to me. I used to start shaking and some weird things used to happen to me. But gradually, I guess it was Arushi who has made me comfortable. And once I was comfortable, then even I started sharing my feelings with her. So I guess everything has just gone better and better. And I hope and I wish ki even our future life, it keeps on getting better and better. I think that's all about.
Bachchu, we'll have a very, very nice life. We will enjoy every part, wherever we are. The best of what we have, we will enjoy that.
Which baby? Now that's something again I have not planned about. I guess it's more. I guess 5 years down the lane we'll start thinking about it, or 4 years down the lane, but not right now. But that is sure ki if you ask me ki whether it is a boy or girl, which would you I prefer? I'd say ki I'll prefer anybody, but I'll make sure ki he or she is a active person, means involved in some sport sort of. That is for sure.
Whenever in my marriage, I see us very enjoying basically with each other, whatever resources we have, wherever we are, whatever the circumstances are, but to make out the best in whatever we have, whatever situation is there, just to enjoy, have fun. That is what I see always.
I see myself, let's say when I am 60, I imagine ki I am lying on a bed with Arushi hand in hand. We both are kind of looking back at our life and we are cherishing every moment which I have spent together. That's all I dream about. And bus, that's all. Actually, I have not planned anything as such in detail, but if you want what I wish, that is my wish. Ki at age of 60, I should be with her and we should be holding hands and we should be talking and cherishing every moment which we have shared up to that stage.
I am going to miss my families, actually both my families, because I'm not going to be with them, both of them, and we both are studying. So it's not about my family. I think we are going to miss both the families.
Like our family, it is a joint family. I always thought ki the reason for I used to see the marriages getting broken around me and all this stuff. So I thought ki the days for a joint family have passed. Now again, I guess whoever you are bringing into the family should be cultured well to groom in that family.
Just that everything I have and the feelings, the emotions that I have developed, the kind of person I've been is all because of my parents, my family and my sister and my friends. My best friend Vandita, she's been like my person ever, and everything, life is very beautiful.
And when I started knowing about Arushi, she is very simple, very straightforward, very gelling, very hardworking actually. And she accepts the thing which are drawbacks about her, and even she accepts the things which are, I guess, faulty about. Another important thing about her which she likes is she inspires me to be a better human being every day.
I don't want to change his personality, his everything actually. I don't want to change anything. He's very nice.
So I know for sure ki what I am right now and what I will be, let's say 10 years down the line, will be very different, and it will be for a good reason.
Yes, I'm liking it. It's nice. I am looking the way I want it to be, and sir is down there. So let's see.
Yeah, it was very beautiful actually. It was something ki about the first thing phase initiated. I think I like her family very much. Her dad, her mom are very amazing, and even her sisters Vandita and Avani.